Lord, you know how hard it is.
Hey beauties, it's Tequila Likes the Alcohol, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY coconut milk hair conditioner. The first thing that I'll be using is some coconut milk from Thai Kitchen. It's the organic brand. Some vegetable glycerin, some aloe vera gel, some jojoba oil, some grapeseed oil, some lavender oil. You are going to need a 4-ounce container, a 1/4 cup, a tablespoon, a wooden spoon, a teaspoon, a glass bowl or a bowl of your choice, and another measuring cup. Okay, let's get into it now. We're going to take about less than a cup full of that coconut milk from the can and pour it into your glass bowl, along with a tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Now I use a 1/4 cup with aloe vera gel in it, but I didn't use it all because I didn't want it to be more soupier than what it was. Now mix all of those ingredients together until you don't see the yellow oils anymore. Once you get it all stirred in, now you can add your essential oil, which I have lavender essential oil. Now normally the coconut milk is solidified, but I did not let it stay in the refrigerator overnight, which it would separate the oil from the coconut milk. The coconut milks get very fatty, and that's what makes your conditioner amazing. But it's okay, it will work like this, but you do have to stick it in the refrigerator so it can solidify. You might have to do it overnight. But I'm going to take my ingredients and add it into my 4-ounce container. These containers can be purchased on Amazon. I will drop the information in the description section. Now make sure you scrape all of that good coconut milk conditioner into your container, because it equals about 4 ounces, so that is good. Once you get it all into the container, this is what it's gonna look like. And you will have to take it and stick it in the refrigerator so that it can solidify. It have to stay overnight. As you can see, it is a little soupy because I did not let the can stay in the refrigerator overnight. But it will still solidify. You just have to do it after you make your mixture, instead of having it already solidified when you're doing your mixture. I just want to show you what it looks like. Now I'm going to take this and put my cap on. And stick it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Now let's open the container and see what it looks like. This can be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week before discarding. And this is the consistency that you want, not too thick and not too watery. I hope you guys give it a try, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Lord, you know how hard